Have you ever made a transfer on Kraken and it didn't go through as expected? Maybe your funds are stuck in pending, or they just vanished into the digital ether. It's a stressful situation, but don't panic. Today, we're going to walk you through the exact steps to report a transfer issue on Kraken so you can get the support you need and, hopefully, get your funds back on track. The first thing you need to understand is that Kraken has a very clear and structured process for handling these issues. The most effective way to start is by creating a support ticket. To do this, you'll need to go to the Kraken Support Center. You can find a link to it in the footer of the Kraken website. Once you're there, look for the Contact Us or Submit a Request option. When you create your ticket, the key is to be as detailed as possible. The more information you provide up front, the faster the support team can investigate and help you. So, what information should you include? First, always provide your public account ID. You can find this in your account settings. This helps them quickly locate your account. Next, include the transaction ID or hash of the transfer. This is the unique identifier for your transaction on the blockchain. Without it, they're essentially looking for a needle in a haystack. You should also specify the exact cryptocurrency or fiat currency you were trying to transfer, the amount, and the date and time of the transaction. Finally, and this is crucial, describe the issue in detail. Did the deposit not arrive? Did the withdrawal fail? Is it still pending after the expected time frame? Include screenshots if you have them, showing the transaction history on your end or any error messages you received. After you submit your ticket, you'll receive a confirmation email with a ticket number. It's important to keep this number handy for any future communication. Kraken's support team will then review your case and get back to you with a resolution or to ask for more information. They're known for their prompt support, so you should hear from them relatively soon. Remember, patience is key. Crypto transactions can sometimes take time, and a transfer issue can be complex. By following these steps and providing all the necessary details, you're giving yourself the best chance for a quick and successful resolution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.